for you. Come.
So hello guys, here we are playing Minecraft again in a new server with Ezio or
Okay, I'm gonna go grind for a pickaxe and armor.
Hey, wait a
you loot
minute.
that
How
chest.
did you got armor? Oh, that
The
chest?
chest. Look the chest. Look in the chest.
Oh. So guys, I killed some sheep and
Wait, we didn't kill some sheep. We accidentally did kill all entities.
Yeah, accidentally he did. And I got wool and the things. You know that I am a vegetarian, that's why I am throwing them in the water.
Okay. I'm gonna go grind for an iron pickaxe. Cause there's gold there.
Bro, let's grind together.
Guys, we are gonna try to get ready.
Guys, I am seeing if by chance any other villagers have spawned again. Bro, there are 2 villages next to each other. I think so. This village is too big.
No way.
There are 2 villages, yaar. The village.
You rate that village.
I'm rating the whole village. Not good loot. I want good loot. Iron. I got iron.
Give me the iron. How much?
3. And
give me the iron.
Why?
Just give it to me for a second, dude.
Okay. You want iron pickaxe? Just now.
I'm gonna go get that gold block.
Oh, I know now. So guys, there is a blacksmith and I thought it was a blacksmith. Hey, these are 3 villages I think now. Guys, wait, as in this SMP there would be a secret house of mine in the next episode.
Wait, where's the ruined portal?
Bro, it should be near the river. The blacksmith house. The blacksmith house.
What does it have?
Checking. OP bhai. Iron chest plate, iron pickaxe, iron helmet. And
okay, then wait. Then save 1 iron piece for nether. Because iron has a terrible we need unbreaking on iron or else it's trash.
No, gold cracks faster, but I'm wearing gold because it has protection. Bro, I am burning the house. Bye bye house. Hey, run! Literally run! Is the house on fire? Run! House is on fire. Bro, did you got the that golden block? Hey, cow.
I am, wait.
Or you are still finding it?
I'm done.
Bro, I got a donkey.
Now guys, I'm going to okay, this gold helmet has 5 rocks, so I'm gonna take this off for this time. Enchanted golden apple in my other hand just for safety. Gold.
Bro, I got a donkey. I just need a saddle to sit on.
How did you make a saddle?
Just I need a saddle. I didn't make a saddle. I just tamed it. Bro, just come with me. Should I feed my donkey the golden apple I got?
No. of Minecraft, we will be using teleportation.
Sorry, Donkey
Yeah.
Z. Sorry, Donkey. Bro, how's there a dead bush in a plains village?
There's a desert.
Oh, there's a desert nearby.
Wait, I'm gonna try to tame this donkey.
Bro, that donkey is mine. It's already tamed.
This donkey is not tame.
Oh, you found another donkey? Then okay, I am just putting my donkey in a hole. If you want, you can also put it in a hole. Bro, I
Oh,
don't
let's go.
know what is the need of efficiency 5 on a hoe. Literally on a
Okay.
hoe. Bro,
Dude, do you have a saddle?
no, bro. If I had a
Oh,
saddle, I could
wait,
have
it's
tamed.
night.
What?
We need to make a house, go into caves, etc. Wait, I have 2 beds.
What, yaar? It didn't fall. It's not falling
No!
in my trap. Oh, yes. Now it's. Oh, guys.
Sleep,
With
sleep,
the
sleep, sleep,
update
sleep.
of 1.17, there is a notification coming. 1 out of 2 players are sleeping. So guys, hello guys. I'm gonna die, I think. Oh no, I got a bone instead. I need to eat the bread. Bro, don't cheat, yaar.
Okay, I'll not cheat. I just wanted to ride my donkey.
And then I am also taking a saddle.
Okay, guys, now let's go find a cave and etc. And then get us iron,
Yes,
etc.
guys,
etc.
as caves are OP in this update. Bro, why is your donkey on fire?
Accident.
Bro, donkeys are OPer than horses.
What? My donkey is dead. I
Your
hate this.
donkey is dead.
I'm never taming a donkey. They have solar cells. Okay, let's go into caves.
Bro, the villager's house is not burning fast. Why is... Bro, I lost my donkey. I put it in a hole.
Guys, I'm gonna show you a trick.
Bro, there is a... what can I...
Now,
There is a place to keep
Right.
horses and donkeys here. See? With hay bales inside. Oh, I forgot to take the hay bales. Guys, this efficiency hoe is OP. One click. Just one click.
now see this. There won't be. Guys, now that's how to get food. I'm
Bro,
gonna hold my wheat.
I actually got 19 hay bale in literally seconds. Or else I would have to break it like that. Bro, yaar, why is that happening?
Guys, big brain.
Where is my donkey? Someone stole my donkey.
Yes. let's go into caves, okay?
We would go into cave. I fell into a cave and I found copper.
What is copper used for?
I don't know. I think copper
Oh,
is a
iron.
waste. Literal waste. I
Let's
think
get this raw iron.
we would try to make a pickaxe out of copper, because on Google I read it that you can make armor out of copper, but I don't think that was true. Do you
Guys, we
think?
don't have Optifine right now because oh shit, okay.
Yeah, we don't have Optifine and we don't also have our skins, because
Guys, that's why.
we both are Alexis.
Come to me, come to me, come to me.
I
Come to
fell.
me. See this? A bigger cave and more iron. Go I'm gonna go mine iron. Can you take care of this creeper?
Where is the creeper? Oh. You just hit it with a flint and steel.
Now that's one way.
Where's
Wait,
it?
how much cobble?
Bro, cave update is
Do you
OP.
have wood? Wait, do you have wood? Do you have wood?
I have 0 wood, but I have 14 coal.
Do you have crafting table?
No, I don't have anything. I just came in. Bro, another creeper! Save me!
Wait, I'm gonna go get some wood for us.
Bro, the flint and steel trick is OP, as we can light them and run away.
That's the point.
Bro, there are mobs here. I also saw Enderman. Please come to save me, yaar. I am telling
Why are you fighting
gods.
an Enderman? Can I just get wood for us?
Yeah, you get wood. I am getting coal. And exploring the caves.
I hope we find diamonds, guys.
I hope we find too much.
That will be our first diamonds in 1.7.
Yeah, diamondes. We will say diamondes instead of diamonds. Bro, do you know? I know a trick to find diamonds under the lava.
Glass or chains, right?
No, we just have to open our coordinates and point towards lava. Then it the block below the lava would be written here, like it's written Minecraft moss replaceable lush ground. Lush ground? Hey, I think there is a lush cave here. We should mine. Lava! Save me, God! God.
Yes,
God,
we can
God.
mine.
God! Oh no! Shit!
Wait, your stuff survived.
Bro, I stopped the lava at the last moment. You take my stuff, I am TPing to you. Guys, we have to TP because we are a big noobs in Minecraft.
You have this potato.
Yeah, I
Your
had too many
pickaxe.
of breads and one more stack of wheat. I need this. Thank you for giving back me my things.
Dude, I have beds.
Hey, what did
Bye.
you do, yaar?
I was finding diamonds.
That's not a good way to find diamonds. Plus, we should mine instead of doing this lava trick.
Okay.
Bro, if we had a swamp, We would have mined with the hat open.
Yes, we could have got diamonds easily.
And if it would have been a set seed. Oh, bro, I forgot to tell you that in 1.17 diamonds are not only at 11 level, they are on many other levels also.
Do you have coal? Can you give me some coal?
Okay, I'm giving you coal. You gave me a torch. Thank you. Cool,
Dude, I want Optifine. It's so annoying to craft torches and it's so annoying to craft torches and if you run out.
And we would definitely run out of torches. Because in Optifine we don't use torches.
Wait. I am saving 2 hay bales for nether. One for you, one for me.
Saving? Why do you want to save hay bales for nether?
Clutching in the nether. Wait. There's bucket of ice, right? There's bucket of ice in 1.17.
Bye.
I'm gonna take this 2 hay bales.
Bye. I think we should first look for a good cave in Spectator instead of just mining like this.
I'm recording.
Bro, I have more than 1 cobblestone and 0 diamonds. I don't even know the level of diamonds in this update.
Do you want an iron sword?
I have iron. I can
sword
give
or
you
iron axe?
Oh.
Wait, iron sword or iron axe?
Axe.
Take.
Yay, I have axe. Bro, I think we should try making a... Bro, वैसे fire is a good light source. 17. And we should try making a pickaxe using copper to just see for once if it works.
Hostel.
Do you have another furnace, or I am making a furnace?
Oh, hello, mutant Skelly. Oh, hello, Skelly. Just hit him, not me.
While making a... Hey, who is killing me?
I'm sorry.
Bro,
Here, take a stack of bread.
It made furnaces using deep slate instead of full cobble. Half deep slate and half...
I gave you a stack of bread. I just now gave you a stack of bread, right?
Ooh, thank you.
I'm making shields for both of us.
Bro, I have put copper in the furnace. If you have coal, please put it.
Here, take this.
Bro, I have enough breads. I had 3 stacks of what is this called? Wheat. You can take this bread. So guys, our copper ingot is ready. Bro, copper ingot. Bro, it smells too fast.
No.
You don't think that?
Let's see if we can make a copper shovel.
Copper shovel. Bro, I have 3 copper ingot.
Try making a pick. What is this? Lightning rod.
Bro, I gave you more copper.
No, there's no copper pickaxe.
Then what can we
No
make?
copper sword. No copper sword. There's nothing of copper. Copper sucks.
Literally, copper is
copper sucks. I threw it in the lava. Let's go now.
Don't throw copper in lava. At least. Bro, we can
What
make
is
a
this cobblestone?
house out of copper.
Cobble deep slit. That noise is satisfying. Why does this look like a stone from basalt delta?
You are right.
I have an idea.
Hello. Hello.
Wait. I have an idea.
Hey, wait a minute. Guys, hello. Is there a change in my voice now? I use a voice changer now. Hello, guys. Guys, there should be a change.
There is a change. I can hear you on Discord.
Then it's okay. Okay then. Guys, the most OP trick is to light fire instead of torch.
No diamonds.
Bro, do you have a bucket?
I have iron though.
Deep slate OP.
How much iron do you have?
Bro, 0. I gave you all my iron.
Wait, then where's the iron?
Bro, it would be in furnace, I think.
What should we do, guys?
Guys, 1.17 is bit laggy, but it's very good.
Redstone. What's that? I'm gonna mine this to see if there are any diamonds. Why does Minecraft say that it never digs straight down? That doesn't make any sense.
Bro, did you see that YouTube Shorts video mining before 1.17 and after 1.17?
Oh, diamonds!
Bro, I'm coming! Where are you?
Corwin! There's also gold. There was gold and then diamonds. Gold and diamonds together. That's so good.
Bro, there you are. How did you reach there?
By ship mining.
Oh,
I'm gonna keep mining in this direction. I have 4 diamonds. I'm giving you 2. I'm making a sword. Actually, I think I should make a sword and make a. No. Let's save these diamonds.
you guys. How many diamonds did you get?
4.
4 diamonds? And do whatever you want. I'm not saying anything. Guys,
I was the first one to find diamonds in 1.17. So I think you should volunteer to do something.
try mining the iron. So guys, this is enough for today. We will meet in next episode. Bye guys.
Yes, guys. So
Please subscribe to my channel and channel of Azio. So bye bye. I am leaving.
yes, guys. So I am also gonna end this video right here.
And please like also. If you want to, we will choose a lucky commenter who if you want to join us in our server, in comments you just have to write hashtag 1.17 and we would choose
No. It's right hashtag EZT. Okay.
you should write hashtag EZT or EZT, whatever. And we would choose one of you to play with us.
Okay, guys. Now I'm dying in the lava, but my stuff is going to survive because sleep inventory is on. And